Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Apple TV 4K. This is the third generation with Wi-Fi and Ethernet. So I specifically mentioned that, and it's even listed on the box because there are two versions of this media streamer. There's a cheaper version with Wi-Fi only, and there's a slightly more expensive version which I have with Ethernet. So you're paying a little bit more money for an Ethernet port. It's kind of ridiculous at the price tag. It should just be a base configuration, but then again, it is Apple. They'll just upcharge more money, even though it's already rather pricey to begin with. So the box is really reminiscent of other Apple products. It's your typical white box with just simple information, not too much detail. And the media streamer itself, I still have to unwrap it around, but I need to adjust the lighting because it's really dark. But you'll notice that it looks like a Mac Mini, which is kind of like how you would typically expect Apple TV devices to be, really reminiscent of a mini Mac version, like a miniature version of a Mac Mini. So pretty cool to look at. But yeah, just getting all that sealing off. Yeah, you noticed at the back, not many ports. Power, Ethernet, which you have to pay extra for, and HDMI. Really simple. So yeah, there's not much more bells and whistles to really cover there. So continuing on with the rest of the unboxing. See, probably documentation and remote, I would assume, is pretty much left. And there's the remote itself, which feels a little heavy in the hand right off the bat as I pick it up. I think I experienced this with the media player version before this, so the generation before this one, the Apple TV 4K, which I've also reviewed, is that it's because it's like a metallic body, okay? This is not a comfortable remote. I'm just picking it up now. It has nothing to do with the weight, it's not comfortable. It's super cold, and it's not really curvy, it's metallic. It should have just been plastic, right? So I'm not sure why Apple chose to do that with that design, but it's something I want to point out. And I'll cover more details in the review video. A link to the review will be in the video description. And here's a simple power cord, nothing special. It's not USB based. So if you were to, maybe this cord is too short for you in your setup, your home theater setup, you can't replace it with a very long USB cable. So just something to mention. However, the remote itself is USB-C powered. So there's no batteries. You plug it in by just, a USB port, and it's a USB-C fitting on the remote itself. Couple things to keep in mind that at this price tag, and skipping past the quick start guide, which is very minimalistic and safety and warranty information, is that there's no HDMI cable in the box, okay? And there's no USB-C cable to charge the controller either. So even though you're paying this hefty price tag, they didn't include that on purpose. So just something to be mindful about. So with that said, if you found this video useful, be sure to check out the review link in the description, as well as my website and social media links. Hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.